Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recents, and we can do it by swiping our finger up very gently, just like that, and hold it somewhere here. And as you can see, the list of previously opened apps simply appears, and in order to close only one of it, for example Google Chrome, simply find it and swipe it up, just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's enter the recents again. So swipe finger up gently, and as you can see here, we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully turned off running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.